yeah, what did you
I told you that we are going to change. That it is not by ourselves, by the truth of the many. Didn't that?
Yeah, you said that. Koka has won. Koka, I didn't know what to. They are now pushing our album, yes, sir. Wakuma Swadi and album, yes, sir. Wakuma Swadi and album, yes, sir. Sure. Okay, this is Koka. What new thing? What is it bringing on board? What new things is Koka bringing on board?
This year, we need elections. Power 2028. And for now, I have jubilation for victory, jubilation for freeing ourselves from slavery. So, for now, that is all.
Okay. And did you know? That's it. Thank you. Right, let me say.
Ultimate music station. Velasco, hey, Velasco. Hey, Velasco, hey. I don't want
Obviously, COKA and the officially. Especially COKA and the regional chairman of NPP. Ashanti. Interviews out with Francois as well, the regional organizer, as regional organizer. Okay, obviously, that is it. It's all joy, it's all excitement over here. COKA editing avec Francois and when you are kind of Tiafe and the Florida Carbon. Now, what's your when you saw a India and the day I'm not saying about finally, the NPP Ashanti has a new face. Yeah, by all means, about a new direction propelling forward. The NPP Ashanti, that's the Ashanti Mantemu, also Kokofu Yokono, and Free Nekwe, and a new face, a new era. Yeah, the era of Chairman COKA. So the Wontumi era, the Wontumi reign has surely come to a successful end today. Yeah, there is a dawn of a new era. But the ancient that almost see about so you can say it's not the Akabian so also. But COKA is the Ashanti regional chairman elect. Ashanti regional chairman of the NPP, as well as Bernard Amofa-Jantua as the first vice chairman of NPP, and a whole lot. And then also Poyando, Breno Bisa, Jakubana Poyando, what could there be? Poyando, and you, Alpha Koto, and young Kwai, and the Poyando, and the Wariat Tim Kama. The Obenya Kotsabo Buja, that you're kind, the Obenya Kotsabo Buja. Poyando Benya Kotsabo Buja. To the end, now, Yane Amansan Kasa, Ayenti, they are almost Eka, they're Ghana for Eka, and the new season they say COKA. Finally, I mean, Adam COKA Kunimdie is our original chairman. COKA, original chairman. COKA, original chairman. Okay, Daddy, me can say that. Passion of former here. Asida. Who's as one year Diablo? Me say Aburusu. Any way. Many who say Salatam Dua. I be win am no. Many team na COKA win many a je say me be win nam no adentia wada roba no na friend say your friend Yunus Abdullah Fofana oh constituency no aswasi constituency okay manaf okay ha o say aventie we ni na say okay delegate to the Omasi okay omu ni ma ba to papa omu nsanu nyame kire omu nsanu omo ko yi COKA COKA no okay wo abutere okay wo boniface wo penkabom and the grassroots and any problem COKA grassroots and any problem until we grassroots what grassroots no all the 2024 you lose here na grassroots okay ball mbese me tell say okay enye Kokofu ball eye COKA enye Kokofu ball na eye COKA aha so Kokofu bobo wuti ase ebi no yo ayo pase mawo sawana sebio yombo omudi omuyeye ena yo pase mawo na yo ko opposition it is a COKA abadia nyame tumi nti 2028 wodi ba omuye baba because of Ashanti region ahana vote no you think say COKA abana every before anto aba Ashanti yeah o mesa like tinti well NPP 2028 o mesa like tinti atu because ade enye omo no eye COKA dadini COKA dadini and nyame tumi nti ombeba ometu like tinti auto ma baomia no mo dinaba ana manaf Ibrahim aswase ye de neba mutaka kura suro ye tibi mutaka kura dia adino bibia ye try sa NDC phone e ka onyame na meka amo sere ye nyiri ho na enya djuma wase ombetu amai enti Ibrahim baba usunya kishira ho okay na wo be me wana bo pa all the way from Kabwe ona pa pombo ko dia na me ho ya me ya ye de nyame ase e bia na obi ni mo down what the chair for
me dey the honorable Andy Oskanka former assembly member of Ankasi East Electoral area
okay this ya who for control na ba yes sir they be na control for be o am for sure o 5 hour control
but Canada na
Canada 5 hour
Edmonton
okay Canada Edmonton for no amu ya you say any to about COKA Edmonton dey na o ka
in fact ene ya nije da ka share mami because ene 15 for your birthday
wow
ana ngasa
the chairman Koka so at me winning election na me so and na kasa say the kasa e woni GM Koka pani bia because ne bedi na chiache na Abraham Sia say me follow politics no on one na me di na say kakra di ko di assembly man ya di ko assembly 2 times ya nyame adom ene pepe so e odi abedu ni enti chairman all pray Ashanti regional chairman na abedu amintment transit ya say body boni chidom ti abebo ni chidom ama otimi awi ni election no because me mani achi akasa because na akasa birthday ti no.
I don't know what is so special about Koka because what here papa and say obi edin one dance say what dream grassroots or dream only be only there. What's so special about Koka?
Say obi woni Koka no kana say o say bia o kire ho papa we papa o tiri nipa ho Koka ho o tiri nipa ho wow Abraham make assembly na o frɛ me na o tiri me say branch o say o assembly but mo say bibia ni ho menya adwuma o say mefa ho kan nyina mo akọ Abra I don't go for the winning election by a board so hwe kwa bre form rant ya ye form o yisi di adwuma mu tafo fade o na ntiri nyina so bia ni adwuma ye de
Koka na yes abi
Koka no about one bit why say adwuma we Korea ye dano e wo ye hoyi em na che ye ko nyina Koka ne pia mu nyina ko gu mu empudi ye nwia mu nyina ye de e ka ho bi enti papa we de o asantme mu no communicators one na emu ni di obi akọ na nche akọ bi aka akọta radio so akasa kes ka bekọ nyina papa we o de twia enti si ye kọto ba say ni papa we na se grassroots bi here na obetimi ya de adi ye nim de ya de akọ elections no na me gidi ye say papa we wa win election no asantma no sorry 2028 na samra na ye de boto na ye didi line no 2028 be say obi di boto
mo vo akọto fa say boto ba
samra na boto ba obi se di boto be di line kra etwamu 2024 ye hunu bi ba me say inshallah say 2028 no ye be hu say am for the blocks na this was say aha na me die we true Koka no asantma for ntuma prefra ama otiba di asantma ni ama Koka enti no asantma ye pia boto ba ama etime adi nkunim asantma region say etime tuaba kase a na NPP adi nkunim and say Koka abedi abedi anu dia na grassroots ni Koka asam dia ni me pia boto ba ama
after can no mama say question 2024 election over statistics more all the 2020 the other one about 1 million people were Ashanti region to about 80 NPP votes on 2020 2024 there about 2 million votes so then say NPP for yes be one na anya the one for yes to because this vote on 2020 similar votes and we o se Koka betimi aye bi special about obi abeto ba
yes me won say wadwuma yo ana me won say leadership no na wato sini okay amanfo bi kasa bi akọso na enipa bi ani nyi ho but Koka e obi a papa no na ho brase and the way a osini efonfo no ehia no gidigidi bi aye dey emam yet bi ni radio station ba kwesi o say ye yes o na say bi ye dey ka party no kwasem obekọ radio station na akeka mo nyina aye dey abom ama ayomfa abatontamo edu ba bi ne wo say only one radio station na aye adwuma ma asantman enti na ense bi amaka ne ho bia na ebu amanfo ba mu kra na ni ehu batene no yenya ne sabi Koka urban strategic na ni sha okeka no abaka radio station na abom na yenya asia na ye ba akọ na ono obi aye de enya ayomfa ti ebi obekọ bia no se MPP ni ko na se okasa kra na akonya be ba se de oka no edo me de betie anu na ma ye lusu election no anu ti no na asantman hia enkabo mu e wo fam ho de dia fraba so e de akodi embunim
Matia you be catch at one afei you family
mesre asantman se ye be do mu nyina ase se ene wahye Koka anuonyam because ni papa no wa bre yanso se ya so anuonyam se a na e se asantman adi nkunim eno ti ye sre se de Koka asi adi nkunim no ye be sre se asantman ye nyina ya fe ye support anta na chi me ye mu ni chi dom se de be ya 2028 le baka se Koka ba e be so asantman mu for regional chairman no ene asantman for ntime pai fra ye pia to aba ama MPP ye timadi nkunim
and yeah okay Edmonton for Canada Tiaoma e bia
na chia Edmonton the Church of Pentecost Edmonton sorry ni nyina na match mabushafo a almost Canada nyina ma me ne papa mo ne mi sisters na this are Sylvia Asare ene ni kuno Ebenezer Asare ene omo maka nyina na e fa birthday so na me dia chia omo nyina na e
Honorable Andy Oskanka, happy birthday. Yavi shop. Yabeka sa. Okay. Yes, it's we are be me na Yankasa. No, record here. Boko. They froze whatever.
Meeting the Shaba so to the pattern I'm sure already should be.
Okay, so about this year, Koka, Edin Kunin, Yatobanabi, Abnogo copy, then I'll carry a fan.
Yabe catch a gunner for the say you are Koka, Eduma Wayan. Okay. Yayaman Naswani. Nana Bimu challenges, Chama Kokofumla, Chama Kokofumla. Na ya Chama Kokofu. Batuma Hanswesi from 2016 to Aba and I hold a decade election Ashanti region. Now you have 2020 so 2 years, 2024 so 2 years, and then self as I say, then you know, you have a quite day. About Abadiama Yura, Chama Kokofu, I'm gonna be dependent on Ashanti region. You have to Yura Koka. Dobia, you better say, you better say, but you'll go to Bia or some to Aba, Adiama, Yura, Chama. Koka ama na ba be deep partner ayamba o se vota o ya hobaseni o kodi fie kwa ba faso aje o fia na
so no kai no kwa ho
aya no kwa
o kodi fie da
ma kodi fie bebre
o ko ide ne fie gwa so obi aso
o hweyeye e ma ya diani bibia di ye o wie o ja kwa be fe o fia ni fun a o fa o ka se ma o tie ye o ba ibo bi wa o fo amu a ka te ma bi before wa ba mu fo amu kwa no mu ba te ne no sabi ninya be firi wo ama o man e ho ayede atoye ha
Koka all the way that's
Koka all the way ya me kan say bosum tefo ya so di chama ekiti bai won so aweni won so weni ye won so weni ya na ye tie nya ye ni ade adi ya me say body say and this for the 2 million da mo 2 million de ma mo nya ni so aba no mutwa ene edan ya yesisi isi bebre omudugu market abande dan si enya omudugu e je be say Ghana for say ye nya ka ehumom ye unity na 2028 ya kwaji 2 million for ma bi pamani ko no mo kwa ele betima ye o mani ye no ma sisi o mani ye ye me de aje we NPP amani ko mo pani ku 4 peso or the help insurance e ba ye e be boa ye e ma timanfo ho to mo or the food and job ba ye e be boa ye o ba ye o sadi kokoma spray ba ye e be boa ye ma akuafo ho to mo ene e buja akuafo dan dis for wa ye from since 1992 or since na twa no and this for adibe no mo da be kan ho
so mo chese akoko kiti no ade 24 hour economy so na kwa mu ba 24 hour economy na kwa mu ba na
me so mo bua e ya dada okay ene yi akoko da don o mo timi ya hwe ya buja mo se ya tia eno mo be di 4 years abata tamisi ba ye no me be tamisi 4 years ndi entungu o mo be di 4 years ye we buja ye don domani Muhammad se o di November ye buja mo mutu otuko bokina obi ye wo sade ye saban 4 years wa ta ko fon ku kwaba anu ye buja
e ko de o si a cha ma for ma sha se e but e bi so ma yo mo de
ko bo so tu ko busa mo ani communicators mo ani o mo pay for mo ye ma bi tutu na busa ho se da kuko tu brewa wo ya ya se for so se na benya visu obi gwa dia wu obi dia wu tiga de ye ka nukra anu to man ye changing no ye se sanu amam na development babu
na mo ka emi si bo say Dr. Bawumia no your vice president e de man na Kokofu but I want say dem hu bia sa na bi no mo ka
o Ghana ye ka nukra agu na na esisu ana say ye vice na esisu
but say Dr. Bawumia the vice
oye the vice ye ka vice
the economic management team
ye ka vice is to understand the vice you say me ni uja ye wu na wo hosu me e na me kasa you say me kasa na fuso bi ba wa ye baba be chiwa se dia be chime so ni say dia e dia de na mva brem ni makufa na ba omi na mde bono this one say the politics e dia Ghana ye ka chire no e dia be say Ghana for say ya kwa eba ni nya no ya gwa ye tambom ye nya nya me aduma ya ko to aba ni ma bi ba ma ku no mom lebu ni cha wo som tufo nya ne ma fo nya
okay ti ya bi si ya we want to ask about konkasa
ma me nya ni tena me ko ni anu mo
what for there what ma
me ni abibia boko
na di say also constituency
me pa cho me di the Asio Berima me wo atwema kwa ho ma constituency me communication coordinator yes that's it today mini ade me waka ne say nsuan kanya me ene anwanwade a asie NPP aban ye de NPP ekuo no da bia ye de ye na da bia ka ne say we are elites ye ka say we are elites na nche say enuanom so omunye side bi no ye mfom mom because o hwe ye ne no ma bebiri aye ya e ma party ni akodo party ni efe ye nhwe ye start free delegate system ye delegate ye delegates ba be yi coordinators so wiye almost ba any delegates na ba be yi constituency executives in fact na me nim nukure ni constituency executives so any mpanyfo so aba be yi regional na dey say o hwe some process we nyina yakoma ni nyina ya sundwe won te say metu makao in fact ye fa bera kwampo ye koyi no ana efe keke It just tells Ghanaians, and I say, Yen be say, I resemu. Say, Nabi Adama, come 2028, you are coming for power.
NPP is coming for power. How sure are you?
I'm very sure because of Minia, say, Uche the echoes of my music, President John Mama, and the promises, or the man, yeah, especially you to know, and the Equalana me to dinner, you know. You should 2 years down the lane, a year queen. You won't be asa. This year, but you see, a governance, and I am the cano. Wasn't I say a command penny crumble because time no extra. Said, yeah, papa, for can maybe no, and but see him. 4 years mandate. The term first year, second year, that's a want to be in your flashy program. And now that's want to me. I attempt to say, oh, yeah, I'm telling you, get into your 3rd year, you fail. It's a bit more rich. You say, you're paying for a year or more. You're sending in dear 1 war. If I say, oh, shit. The crop of the executive say it tells you say yes, some party and
the party not I get there almost.
Make you catch yourself party no NPP party now. Na ekuro tutu ye. Na ekuro tutu ye pa. Na me anim kwani se me say and as se me jam platform so gas the party no. Na no man e ko mbibia ye okay. Na me twantro. Yes, sisi an ye you to know and ye so your party no. Yes say ye dane party ni. Sisi we are the new patriotic party in the new party.
That's the new patriotic party in the new party.
In the new party.
Yes, NPP no.
Esaba. But we be a Ghana hanyina. Yes, some yam paying for mu gina bie. Omo nyina ye ni so. Na say the can say yes, some omo tretre. Na ye ni aye ba no so no. Omo nim die na omo ti mu popa a omo wo no. Ye ti say yam paying for say come na so a. Omo de be maye. Ama ye so de abo party no bra. Ama ya ko come 2028 ya ko di 2 me no. E de aba.
Wow, Masias ni that's bad.
That's
okay. See all the way from Achimaka Oma,
precisely. But I'm doing the Asio Berima. Over the whole Achimaka Oma. Now, boy, Asio Berima. And one who be Achimaka district. Munamite.
Anyway, we must say we are saying Koka we. What is your man first born with cheapers? When people they be almost say I'm strong word, but what me kunya so? Can you tell first two? Na ye be oh. Most of my touches how do we say sia? E be was fantastic run about or junction. You know, man for so crowd mo for. Swami Ashanti. Swami dey as a koye bibi oho oboase kwan so anwan kwantan so bibi oho sa e na mo free wa kwan dis ya ba yura ma say o be yes anya ma we nanti be dey na Asante America say mo amanye no na dey wa ba wa ye nya na dey ntro ba ma
na me anu me kwani me na me da asam ti asem wa na me dey and kwa no ma bi no ho a nyese bi ayanye ye dey nsa kan na ye ntumi anwie ene e koe if Ghana for hwe ye dwumadie so e ka say da bi abosa mo be say ye and this dwumadie mo ka so be di amaye no Montimi anwie ye ni anye ho enti ye dey ye to aba atia mo na mo nkofie na mo san ko reset mo ho na mo ba ye betimi di tumi na dey asama mo enti bi ya so kan sa e no kra anoma bi mo ho especially Ashanti region anoma bi mo ho ye gitum ye tiase antwa ye ankoye ye segana fo nyina ye gitum enti going forward no ni gidi say Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia papa a president papa my way didi e wo ni munti ya didi say sa resetting na Joma Makaye no sa resetting no ye mom ni e ba be resetting no e ma Ghana atumpon e ma Asante man atumpon e ma mi angasa no so be ko insurance atuma kwa ma enso atumpon sanity ye ba nyam ye ni mi kwani di asase ye ne yeso ye penso and that's Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia so penso o man no tumpon de e no kwa de ye se Ghana fo nyina abo se ye fan kame wo mo ye be ya dwumade ye timi de Ghana konani
okay that's me ya go for say ka sabusia ti ebi je egusu akoso ebi je egusu akoso COKA chita for afoni aka ye ni nipa ba ko ti obi o it is the interest of the party no and ya dia here yes you dey come at come here to COKA ti ya bi aboko je wada roma
Erade nyango pa do bi aboko
ye da nyango for asiri personal di say wada roma
ba fe me nana pa mi apia oti kokko so na nana
oh how come apia o constituency be
na cho me tuma ba kwa so
na ya to abana bi COKA Jantua the first vice and the whole lot here na o kan dia fa na dia akoso
the nyango point say Ashanti region abato no ni nyina akona wi any the whole Ghana ni nyina akona wi anti atinka boni bia the bompa e da nyango point na mi dey yi ni nyina ni say party members and then for now NPP nyina be back na be kan ho abom they took from youth for anim manim mrantia yesiso say ye adwuma ye dia 2028 ye tumrika engoto abama Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia namram na president because on oba mrantia ni mabawa benya ye dey benya adwuma ye yesre twediampon say o ma Bawumia hoden on famla 2028 na intimi ni aba no obi bia o be stand biase enyina de olusune do anwen no enyina eke ho abom nya nipa ba ko ya fight yet nya kwagitumi no 2028 FNDC for answer the kakra me so mo waka no
what you are saying what's your number of yamla no my mind you because what's about me why you pay why vice president penny at the head of economic management team dollar cost so ni ade dey say e tumi say say obedu
Bawumia vice oye no Bawumia vice obedi ye no chair president bia o mabakro me na daw Bawumia vice president obedi ye oni nyuma ode bae enyi ode aba president bia fama FB mai Bawumia the mobile bank buy what the Ghana card check bibia o Ghana na me ka kire o ma ji atum bla and won kita Ghana card utimi first gang to bank not go is every bank say ni pan ye man kwan no omra no so ye hwe de ono so be de ye be ya mo man no anti ye ma Bawumia mra why ye man mra Ghana YouTube bia nto abama no obi sa nto abama Bawumia obenya adwuma ye
ya be ni o man
obenya ni o maye
ni ro ma ma say wa sha slip ni me go akram to force no mo force na o ma no dollar na ye okay na o ta ba
mo bua bla mo bua sa 24 hour economy market o si anfaso obi ani so
ele so bubu ayi be bro kwa
anfaso obi ani so chese obi awie school tifie wa ba no 16 regions bie company man kwa no mo awie school tifie no enya adwuma nye koma no free kwa me kroma pese obi ani dwa na dwoda wo me ton ade e bo no onum na osi amapon ko fie ye de ma ba betra abontia be dida
sura okoton ko bi amama
yes ana idwadie na dwadie no ko se kene ayi asafo efo ka nkretukuma se e hodada yes center order than the nyafina be bubu mi market so ba be see 24
but when say there is a first time for everything maybe na friend na so be chance
like kroma de me pa cho 8 minutes anajo e ni ga anajo ma nyi ta wan e di anajo
so ne e
mo no onum ya pon ko fie o nti esre no esre yura ma say o be bibia o me bi enyuma o region by region na nkra no ye dey enye adwuma di bi no ani e ka
no fa wa mo ha
marketing de mo ha no ne mfa
sase e no ya scrum up
bebrebe sisi ba bi bebrebe ye nkom what ya say bebrebe sisi ba bi bebrebe sase ni fa do say nkom ye nkom but company work no minu mienu ye be kwa adwuma no pa ni apon no bi so ko replace ye adwuma ni hia enya market bia na dwubia ze be market anadwo enya
adwuma beba
market be na de adwuma beba say ye de sha say ye market anadwo dia ani obi ani epe Roma obi no kokaje ti ani nkran na se for bon no num no obi aponko obi ase obi ama ya hwe ti esre no ye pena se obi bibia ama yutu na o me bi enyuma na ye nya binye
o me bi enyuma na yutu no enya bi okay let's see ato abana bi koka obi e bojine so the way they are one for bojine so na se do no mo pai bon se baba budu oni koka kaka
minimum koka pa ori chama untumi akọ 2 times na minimum no me ye from Kokofu abia anti die dan so kula no mani age ama koka se wanwe ni abanele ye pe no normal me Ashanti regional chairman na bibia nkoso ye nyina be kan ho abom de olusune de wanwe no ye kan ho abom ye tumi ama party ni maye de ye age party na so na 2028 nyankopon di mu ntie e be ba power
o hwe adwuma so a ya na amafo kan e se regional minister era ma ko na adwuma a wo di a eso o ma bi for kwa mo chances pa ba for mo ase ama mo suro mo plan cha kwa so 21
oh suro di ensu enipa ya de osayi minister ne de oba e oni especially kemi boss no me pe o masem be miamia ba bi ni kejetia ona mo no anti free ne de ne o ma ya de nyame hira wo mo
ti no ti ase Ashanti mu o mo se de bi onyo mo so mo ma to aso so mo ba adwuma o mo fi bi
omu de omu 4 years no mu kone no anu mo nto aso bi e po ma cho
ya mo pe obedi wisdom is 4 years
4 years be
e ka be 2.5 years
omu twa ko ene antwemo mo bi esra omu de omu ye no ye pe omu ye nkopum de omu bepem na yeso ye dey ye samra bem ye ba MPP ba power kromwa akwada opanyin obi anya so mfaso akwada opanyin ye hwan kura onyoma ne so mfaso ye create bibi ama obi anya so mfaso for penzo have insurance bo What you say? Ghana card credit the enka. Maybe to go South Africa. We need working permit here. Blah with me.
Wow.
Che.
Oh, sorry.
Into Ghana card no. Mr. Ghana man be say. We mo Ghana card no by a paper. Said the okwa bricha ko paper Ghana a card na Ghana paper. Ti mu nhwe ni yie. Yen kita mu yie. Na empanyfo no nye ni yie. Na ahoho na be frem no mu kita paper no a. Ye hu ba bi omunya free no. Omo chiche wo mo. Ai, cause
So you feel saying that about me and
Insano, Nina, Baumiansano.
But then say,
president.
Abano, I have to have an opposition. A co-as card being out there and about me by over to us.
And area 20 and we go ask Cardibiao. We go ask Cardio, Baumiana buy and what the Ghana card abba. Woman no Musiania, no Mabajiatu. The Ghana card, a Ghana for a paper.
Above all, some party is an attractive grab. I said, I'm for
a boy, I attractive, but the worker said,
by election,
any harding.
Just a party Ghana for crack. Almost everything.
BB album, you have 2 BB anthem. Now, the Nibuafone and Rahon, a couple more, Bly Besoja. You know, doubt. Mr. 2028. And you be clear about Friday and fast out if you are rebel. We do talk about Mamma, and you be back. Minton, and you neighbor. It's you the entry, you share you.
I'm not ready to. Wow. I'm not so we know.
Hey, you want to go and go on national chairman campaign. Blue time, you done the fucking. Debbie, on Kafa. Blah, Maninkasa. Why, Mama Blonye, Equine on Yenejuma. My block pine, Mama Blonye, Quine on Yenejuma. Nimum the America NPP form paying for near member and call and say, the Casa, my idiatem. Yen Casa no cray. Any Pepe, any Yansem. Ma Bia in your beatem. No beer, no beatem. Yen Casa, not the Enyan, Yen for you in 2 years. The NPP for you now, my gun will be any use Mojam. Now go on find the bomb on to Ghana will be Bias. Name of the MPD, a riding and go to me 2020 to win free on my head. No, social media, no, any for the Casa. I call you, don't tell you, or end this in Mapa. The Kakra, Mekaya no solid and no money yet. Over 3 years ago, no to go no order. What is here? And yet, you, blah, bro.
We are this now.
Casa, what's the way? A man in Koyi, blah, a man in Koyi, a Kufa the pencil. Now I want at 1,002 near phone fa, and I want the 400, 500 and talk. What I say, and talk. Yen and can cromani at your my own, your party in at your my no, and this MPP, Omo, we are Pobias and Mamma Mepanasem. What I say, but any may be in Koya near Can, and I tell me the end of Can and you be it's in a common command by Fatua Kabimami. Obia and can come as wasem and turn again. I drink Trenatum, the Mizimity, I could accurate and be the Paynatum. Me young Bonam, someone on the Entremsa. To Miss Remu and Crania can come as wasem, my dear, and pay for the pay, and there's some way my new, didn't your mom got an answer. See if you put a man to my crown, will be to mount, and I'll got an answer until the Uncran back and Muntie. Namunyani, ye pema ye probia some party in a cruma, ye dobia, and yes, Remo. MPP for the day, you want to Tumrika, Namunko Tuaba, and from Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, Nomame President of Ghana. You to know, yet, no, you to know, yet, no, yet, no, you to know, yet, no, one young, yet, no, yes, what, Mr. Dictator Baumia, a bit device, no, blah, and your master son, and your master son, you. And you must say, "Banana Ghana for new year, MPP for a and you must say, what I say, and you must say,
obviously, we put power, but I'll catch your straight MPP. It's not power.
And if I cross all him life, run to come match and baby, I'm a so I don't do one more. Obo say yes. Me na maker. Get him power that. Yeah, get him power. Ya power great. DCC. Ah, DCC. Yeah, more be a this way you come and you move. And you might be blessed. Ah, be answer a capture Gunagum. Blah, and the message you. Almost 2 years, 1 year, 2 years in your message.
say me go to aba. Who say Ghana for to aba me? Asa wo vim.
Me wo vim. Say ene ye ko to aba ne. O bo me to aba china. Ye ye mbe info bi. O bo me to aba china. And go say yes. China go bet power. Bibi besi o. So ma ka jota enyum bi ba. Enyum te to say kim. O dey every me nu ba bi a go ma be enyum life a kire. Na o dey atum kete to abi. Enyum ne ba. Enyum ye to we city team. O ye panyin akro ba ho di mi ka ko to aba ma ba o mia. Oman ne sei. Oman no sei. Oman ne sinki. Yesre wo mu. Yesre wo mu. Yes, yesre wo mu. Yesre wo mu pa. Yesre wo mu. Memo akasa ato aso. Na omo nye dey. Omo nye bibi ma ye do bia. Oman Ghana ye do bia. Me ko mi ko to dwani ma. Me bompa ye makroma mpanfo ahemfo obi bia. Me bompa ye ma obia se de be ya. Oman no e be to ati ase. Mo ma mi nua enso nkasa kakra enso so. E de ma mi nua no nto aka bibi ato aso.
Any youth organizer no also Oman NDC e ba yo Oman mo ya train I want to free but me no do am here se me nya like am to me find do so not do so as when another time let you know like for what am here know like I want to and this is by energy I want to no yeah go how can I want to and you do the best you to listen but what is your fruit your and Dr. Mahmoud Baumia Mr. Dege Taman you run your proper na ya panembra na oba you do ono ba na ni so de wunya say abema you to no enya nsaluduma enya mutayezi omanu so omu ye bibi na ndisi de ombo omai pa na minister election time na dia na me ya duma Baumia ababa be president never find it simple every time I talk about find it simple but say so the great men never see the case I see the case amunya nka ina Ghana for amunya nka to force no amunya nka amu ready amamu woni go na so mo ni beba ya tell on who this ya be wa yeah, what was it? Coming to no. Yeah, mad. Almost five. Hello, God. You know, almost five. Yeah. Minimum day, and I use them without money. That's a woman. So, about one. Almost 2 years. Almost 2 years. Now, I want to out today. And I want to bread. Maybe you can get them. You talk with me, machine like the regiment. So, we do not have to like this. Oh, Benny, yeah, Cornelia, like do like that. No one the mama, the answer. They want 3 days later. Yeah, bread. Oh, fine. Because me. I'm doing it. I got some wash and I'm going to use it. So, maybe I'm seeing them like, yeah, I don't do the part. Baby, I'll share you 2 lights. Come on, maybe I'll do lights. I don't do the part. I'm doing the part. I know what would do. That's the reason why I was out by can you make a chapter? Let's say you to the side. Come to Papa. Now, Mama, they get Taman. Now, Minister Alad Mahmoud Baumia. Oba, a mind the good. Now, there's no Duma. I'm a Iranian. And some apple with us. What's going to happen here? We are not going to COKA when you have a in the Casa, I know, 62%.
You be as come on, you will be off. You are exactly here. Can you just say, okay, I think the company will be inside. In terms of I won't say, sound on, yeah, some more. Okay, yeah, sexy up here now. Yeah, but after the motor, I still now want to dance. Madaroma, now your mama saying, who you are also. You are talking about you, Sabre, a jailboy, but anyway, and point point be that's why. So, couple of rounds, bro. I mean, that's a we never can be able to see. I have peaceful. Yeah. It's really your room. You're not paid. If I can't trust you, I'm going to put that.
Yeah, the Baba Zaka. The Zaka, I'm an apple, so I'm not going to.
Let me see me. A bono. Yo. The God. 100.
Hey, we are trying to live on Facebook Live.
Yeah, YouTube.
No, I don't wait. That's all I go.
From my come on, you fight away.
Allez, social media for SMO, pas phone number.
Oh, Charlie, go down.
Communication officer.
Charlie.
Total value no rejected. What to about communication officer rejected. Therefore, the communication officer elected.
for the new Patriotic Party.
Qu'est-ce que vous êtes venu?
Dear Edison Nasara coordinator. Nasara, Edipa and 9 and a giant. Here, no. Spending a poem here. Azad, Abubakar. When your money was 335. Yemia Abdul Basim Mohammed. When your money was 350. Yemia Hamis Ibrahim. When your money was 90 days. Yemia Ibrahim Anya. When your money was 150. Yemia Razak Abubakar. I will not 335 on the election. The man who is there rejected. What are the rules? I am 926. Razak, Abubakar, Omi, Ashara, Chinese. The one here called youth organizer. Organizer, Nipa, and 9 in the China. Yemia, Ikaya, Babu, Ashanti, Yamanimu 67, Yemia Yadom Wachi, Yamanimu 43, Martin Ameyao, Yamanimu 683, Ababio Cancer, Yamanimu 133, Yemia Martin Ameyao. Martin Ameyao, elected as a organizer. Women organizer, Victoria also a champ. 377. Yemia Bikiso, 491. Yemia Kosia, Amama, Prempekes, 49. One reduction, Emmanuel 928. Yemia Victoria, the Bikis also, also elected as the West organizer. If you are there, organizers, family and son, you desire, Yemia Dennis Papa, when you are 527. Your husband, Raphael Patrick Sapo, when you are 263. Yemia Daniel Papulensa, they are 165. And Yemia Dennis Papa, with 527. If you are there, treasurer, so the family and son, and the denier. Yemia had in a mensa, when your money 653. Your torso, Isaac, was selling party when your money 237. Frederick Adair, when your money 37. Rejected AS3. Total has 928, with 653. Elena Benson has elected the
Treasurer.
The funny about deputy secretary. And also the family and son and the United. Kingsley also chief here. The man who's 705. Gabriel, the Yako Afia, 6. Lexi Abna Wahili, 241. With 705. Kingsley also elected. The next person, AS Secretary, the Administrator of the Party.
Commander General, we are working for you.
Yemia Francis Adomako, when your money moved 492. Yemia for Papa Yando, when your money 105. Michael Amwa, when you're 331. Yeah, highest Yemia Francis Adomako.
Commander General! Commander General! Commander General!
go to second vice. Second vice, it's not yet so now, Salo, we are 267. And there's Amwa, 8 kings, and then 587. With 587, then we are 8 kings. Second vice Abuna in Century, when you're 188. Akwasi Asamwa, when you're 143. Bernard Amukwa transfer 465. With 465. What transfer has been elected as the first vice. Now to the ultimate. Chairman, anybody in the
I know what you just Chairman, but no, you just one it now. Officially, the Electoral Commission declared Chairman as the Ashanti Regional Chairman of the new patriotic party. Yes, the Electoral Commission has officially declared Chairman of the Kokofu as the new patriotic party's fabulous, as the new patriotic party's regional chairman. They say they officially declare no. They don't Osebo idea DJ COKA. Ona sabe ona mwa. No, yes, over COKA. Now COKA transfer the victory. Officially declare come on. So when they the new NPP Ashanti this is the Yaka, and it's a mayor of Boyd Martin. After say, on my parts of the book. Now, may have not the pen. I'm the poor year of people coming to watching you as I get to you. I be dear my God. What I say to you, I be dear my God. We are some of the supporters in media. Let's officially declaration in Yamba. Yaka and the way. What are they expecting going for 12 points per hour? Still now, Joseph, sound still okay. Can you hear me now? Joseph, sound okay, Sabri. And as a stone again, now come in with the other. Now you have a visual. So what I said, that's what I say. Having a victory in shots until the end. What I said, that's what Joseph, sound that's okay. And still now. So what I said, that's why. And they are very excited. They will be very disappointed. Said the beauty of the game is here. And to will be a while. To be any part of sports, no, they okay now. That's it. Any part of sports, no. Now I didn't want to say they beat that change also depending on. But I'm going to say, oh man, no, 18. Yes, that is it. COKA Abba officially. COKA Abba. Pioneer must be a bear. The cast national say to an celebration. But you're more to be a vessel, and now back to be a at the end of the day, yes, Martin and I see how many as youth organizing. last 4 years, Kokofu were now swam and did not have Samson, Obi to say, I'm going to I know so I'm going to chairman, want to mark consulting chairman. You know, I'm praying on today. Let's not be at first vice. Yes, I say, you're for the phobic as I'm also.
Yes, I am cry. The number of them said, Tamount will be the Duma. It is a word in a Duma here, a compare to Coca Bay with that time. Because life 4 years, but the ma amount for so who say Coca Bay and said, what the catch say, Tamount in the second time. A Duma Coca, Yama Untumino, a man bay a chairman. Emma phone said, Sir Tamount to me in a Duma dia and a Coca dear. So I said, Antina me will give our regime, so Coca dear Baumes, Monoberry.
A yam and I'll check up as well. Cooking over 700, over 600, and now I'm over 200. There's a best of 400 vote different.
Yes, yes, what can you say? Coca,
okay.
The no on count is a credit can come and over Raja Chairman. Former MP. It's a Kennedy Crown who said, Coca Bay Ujai. Because Kokofu or to the sport to say, or called General Secretary. Now, on what the Kokofu to say, Ashanti for Hiano, say Obama Raja Chairman. It is honorable Kokofu, ready and catch you. Say one of Raja Chairman. Say a beer, a Quaniana, say national mark of a former. No, about for the a beer, a sword now, a beer, almost penny. No, I got for regional secretary. No, national secretary, that's general secretary. I say, so on what Kalino, that's it. So what on your used to know or the book Coca. Say, what Coca berry, Coca so, or Becco Biabu, or Unifier. Oh, yes, or Unifier. Ne campaign, no, or your campaign about. Or you campaign, Coca, or say, or is already or Becco Biabu, former Council of Elders, a euphony. Former chairman for no Coca said or a Juma or no Bayano or Bayo from a Juma. It is a Obiana or Beco Lesson. Na Sammy Coca, what we need or Beco Biabu or Bia Coles or we should be a Coca become La Yaman. All over Coco Food here, you say a baby maybe Coca Bian, Coca Bian, say Coca Nya or Cocofu, parting the movie. Very moving forward.
And then we share a couple of secretaries
yes, yes,
and then 1 year. Who is able to me?
Oh, fantastic. Yes, because the executive, you know. Past executive, you know. It's executive for me, and I will see first vice, a champion. And I see Kevin about Umuye. And I read you for night. They're rough. Yes, on this one. Name Ashanti region. Ashanti region, they hear and say Ashanti region is so. Region is to all regions in
all kind of numbers, one NPP.
Yes, make NPP like a yeah, Mamika was in 2024, the man NPP Lucy, you never visit anymore. NPP. One more Yanas. One more Ashanti region for a year campaign, baby. I'm and this popular Ashanti region. I'm a city Texia or cook Dr. Abrakwa and other from Obey. Yes, Obey campaign power Ashanti region. Sakaya Dianka, Ashanti region. You know my year. It could be a Dr. Ladibanka or the Bakunia. Tipping my first Maname. Executive woman from Yasha woman said they almost hard working or Ashanti region.
na ebia nkabo mu ne ntiase no do ye ba ko na ye move party no so the beya NPP benya power 2028 minim say dan ya NPP benya power no 2028 yes nina say won bo Dr. Bawumia na wa be president
how do you support me on city NBC after 4 years?
Oh, Sisi yes, Obi Atwa 8 na Yewura Mahama the bia wanya na asati studio wanya asas the bia papa obey assemblyman obedi MP obey vice president wasa be deputy minister wasa be vice president be president ana wako ana wasaba iti we there Olua who said what when the brain, meaning say or no, that's how the view. But the also could be about yes, 4 years. Oh, yes, but any possible there. Okay, because we say the NBC Ghana for no more tour. Mahama Manisaba, Ghana for no other say, and they say, Yewura Mahama, and also what chance, now can 4 years, Intina Ebia, now almost on ever. It is all and a Ghana for Macas, yes, I'm far another president. Any doctor, yes, and when we say Ghana for no, what we listen to Plano, and move tight Kaka, Yewura for some people. Yewura Debramo Atofosimo and Kokofu and Joshua Alabimo almost to lecture every for after almost to woman it's a woman cry they know who you're not this year. It didn't say Ashanti regional. People bug market sell Ashanti region. Now Ashanti region for now only go full young crop for one more. Said the Bay on Bessa to about 2024. I'm not found to over 1 million something. Woman will say MPP no party there about a Bemwa. That's one year a former year. That's a Kubefuswa and they are Ashanti region for the so we say the development and normal account so as I say and then maintain one say party no we say when you oh say you know a couple more and 2028 no yes, me kai. We can say Tamako Kaberi. Okay, say Tamako Kaberi. And I was really yes, yes. Why we can imagine now. When we say last 4 years, Tamauti me. Me can pay Palma Untimi. Me can pay Yama Untimi. Big body cry. Yeah, stadium. Big body. Am I yes, Tamauti big body. Na me den tia tama untimi na o prospect bia na ano din tia me di tama untimi akino tama untimi be ko ne second time no yakoto aba no edura me ka se yewura asalibedi akon o mampani dada ko fo o mampani dada ekufa do friend se wonyama tama untimi ko ana che tama untimi ko ana ko ka so ba third time na ebodin tama last 2020 sika koka ne third na ono untumi be play na modern but utumi ye do be bia fam seka utumi wa fam a nka ode no be was that time kwa utie media no yes it was koka yes oh koka yes that time ko radio show koka na I said koka set na diba bia yes na diba bia entida ye kura na ye do ntumi tipe na ye mu hihie we say utumi koka nko fo no mo data force no stadium said na omo mi ye say ye do ntumi akini say koka we ni bom be di it me hu say ade ni de tamautu ni na befa and na we so de ne so and so ma twisu say koka befa and pass koka yes empire say Indian way back na and translate into victory for the political party na sabi akoyen kudi empire say na omo to abayi omo Asante mantem ha
so we see am ekura na we nyina betimi ayo mo ayo adwumadi edi apukuntu na actually MPP aba power said here o makoma so nyame na make sense am here be bia nti but o makoma so na dey say party ma so on tell that is it COKA the winning year last the most important thing is about Danny, about translating to vote at the Ama political party. And yes, idea. And then I do want to mean about who are come on. Yes, you have a diet about Kupa, and yes, somebody from Kupa, and your chairman sign up to someone sitting. We have to mommy, you have a body.
Opinion the way when we see
Yamiadom, yes, you're here. Okay, I be an open anymore. We didn't say our constituency.
Began a such a East Conference on a Monday.
I'm gonna and I told COKA and our back as if we want to for young to our first vice and then I'll come here
so far, Mammy, any kind of easier. The fact, or share city almost conduct election. One who can see almost responding to almost trouble. In fact, the record of my police forces on the job and so on, almost so break my power. Now, I give a point, a movie a pie and a boom. May there be a mechanic who shall be to COKA, not only BBC. But who share COKA, the projection or both Bawumia before regional elections, on say national
that's flag bearer
or you neutral
in the flag bearer.
That is it. While so say me wo bonku and also Ashanti base now. You hear will be a baby only bonku now obetimi am team na ya ma dia promote for me and we have 2028 ya winning so far see na a winning any day omo ebebo adwuma na adwuma no so no e di se form for no e ne boa ti COKA de na ye nim se COKA ba win
before the election na mo ya
oh yes
e dey na mo hu e dey science this year ma mo se COKA
MPP na de ba ko a higher kakra ye fashion seminar distracting we company ati ye hu se COKA tina in fifi no ye hu se no o ye ni before o pese oboaboa both side nyina de omoba no ka omobo o ye first ye nra Kokofu obo no mo di to wa mamu ntam be the modern mono edos ne campaign team o ye nkoma no mu die na omode omo ho frofro ye nra Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia e bi bia e kapo mu ya de ba ko amuhia pa na de ba ko ehia ne se ekuo bia se munni munya united a muntimi enwene power ti ya beda obi ase se COKA omoto abama COKA nei COKA ye regional champion
and in your party Sabre fit amusia 2024 the more ya in kamuse buku and over statistics in Ashanti region over 1 million people na come to aba and no kodan Kenya vote MPP in 2020 in 2024 so take best almost 2 million and na vote NDC fina almost 2 million. There was a steady increase that's and na what Kevin the back down there's any say bia MPP for na want to MPP 2020 omo jai ko to MPP there be na mom MPP for na to about MPP 2020 omo do na am to and this is for what we maintain omo to about na say dey share na say MPP for to about again na omo say COKA ya wa pay obetimi dia ba omo boy MPP 20 na to about na omo
you say Saturday ebeye da igna ifia da nwe ora COKA or strategic man why ya Mario Sebu. Adeba Point, I dance someone who's a book a bit my Maria Bra. Yura, Canada compare with Japan, Romia, fashion, no, a sorry, did you know? You never be on family. But we say this is the time I was say you're working together with the people at the base. Now, answer and or more, I will base bit my year, Juma, your bed wedding. And you pass out on from fashion. And in fact, I dear COKA, I am a Chesam or Yamarian. Now, wouldn't be pressure. Sir, voter, Ashanti region, or more man, sorry, Uncle Trabal. Was a Brebiano, I say, Onyama Shigua, and a wish. And pay for us, you mistakes, you know. Say a babu, me, and some winner man, Sani and Baiti. Nay, Yapro, Yaya consulency being in the area region. Paying for now better nothing. You must see top bar elections in better nothing. Now, COKA, and any team no, and move forward. Now, GDS say, send paying for us to tear form for no more year, the Sefata coming Yami at 2028 or Yami.
I'm on for time, almost important mafia, too much.
Am I some a Christos song? A yes of the day and Sabi and Kramusum and Rebecca say, Pepe, a dream maybe and yet Bibia now will be ever coming. See, one Bibia and Cosso Ama, why no interest will be Amafia. Never we are saying, who to a craft who were to my money so I would took my money for who to a craft of a friend or class of. Sa fashion say you're paying for them so a big good party. Kokofu here, they do fashion. How does it look? Go be on fashion. Fashion. You know near elections. Ena senior name Madam Ena LED campaign. A dina a nipa how much party no she say, especially regional reps, constituency reps. Modie Mona Mudaku and Timunya Nitra, no beer so maybe. Now, we be Babajina in 10 times, so I don't know what television, like I say, Tintina time. Now, you won't need a chin, we did our Rania, who went to me. I bet now, Madame Cassa, a baby, and message a phone for Namaste party women as NPP, a party, a bar, a green phone for. I Biano or your policy, my policy, the refugee, be a national. Ye no man this is a time one. I was set your kind of book who are winning ye, who are winning ye, young kind of young man, not parting inside your comedy. Or more 2024, or man for Trabano. You best say now, or man to young Rajon Dramani Mahama, yes, sir, or this is a papa back 24-hour economy. Men paying for me, some sign you be a moment, Shanana.
Oh
yes. Yeah, dear pennies of my Ghana, ever found to my paper. I broke corner, so more ya, Sebia, a year, Yenina, Yabediatu. And ye, dear, I am your opponent, you may come once a year. Young share NDC, together with a Ghana man, Penyura, John Dramani Mahama, or Mubosha or Moshe teachers, sir, or mobile automatic postings. Or more near service in book. And they have or when they let she get into 2 years. There be a dear Betty be a teachers. And I will post here by the Konekobisa. Sasuma see or Bentiana or Yanni Fana. Was Bebrina, but by himself. The cabin of my own post the Jews. Oh, could 25 Ghana cities and Sana when you access a share. Apple, say for one, I say for CFA, and I say for buried in Scandal Bucket. That be, and when I met you, say a Porsche say no my group. But now you because I am by maybe I can say Ghana teaching license, Ghana education service. Now I buy anyway. You're true about Emma man, Penina. Success in United be possible, maybe I was so say no, I was say son. Answer NPP problem before December 2020 for elections. September when teachers are posted on almost 15,000. Now, remember me Kasani, you mistakes. You mistakes. You go for mistakes. Kofi Adidijano, me da bia me ka edidida no edoso wo party woni me nipa ada bia delegation and de ma polling station for no eno na egu party every national executive every regional executive and every constituency nemmom sa 5 no a ewo each polling station no Kofi no na say party
I didn't know that.
O to aba me so me to aba me nua to aba edu aba to so a ye see ye free bibi friends delegate ye di tumi a hye nipa num sa polling station ye hyehyɛ a party bia won hyehyɛ a o ye di leaders but sa dia no ya hwɛ ne yie ha ye unim obi be boss ye bia enipa 5 mo nyi taku sempoa na monfa enye transportation enko to aba Zata kune sempoa na yede ma wo. Bia me so me nu na tifie me nya bi da.
Na da bia akwaje.
Da bia me kwaje. Me jesu so na me nko amatena so na madi. Na ye nipa num na ofie. Na nko na akwaje mu na no di so mo kwakoto aba. Odi abufu mo kwakope ba bia tra won trap. Ti me dia me say ni say Supreme Court de nhyɛ aba. Sɛ amoyoku e wo Ghana ha nyina saa delegate system no mo hwɛ no mo amend mo constitution ya ade ba kwa mani agye ho papa enti we na aba no mema mpanfo ntena so nya sɛ ye we na no wo mo mianya ne pepe na ye call it back lab na wo ho a nei Ashanti kane ye bo NPP din a obi apese okɔhwɛ saa do no ne pese na nyame ya aduma ye kwa abato so 2028 ya kai mo abu awe na ye de hyehyɛ papa ye radon Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia e de hyehyɛ papa aba bebu akwam ama Ghana for to Africa ama asanteman afa no to Africa.
What about the Amoakoni factor? The regional minister. This year I see him for Musro. Since the regional minister do my own. Ama Kokofu be there.
Dia na Amoakoni ba you policy ban e betima kasa Amoakoni de search with some Amoakoni. Woni NDC youth a Ghana sisi awo ade bi say NDC do youth no omo connect youth ba ma mi sa papa obewo na obehu se mo ye nkuda nan ti wo so oji asase tu ba bi na da chi woni wa wa boss CBS so amamu afa ene papa ono no o se ono dia oni asase bia na mu ndo obe ni say obeto enama kese agu pan mu amamu adi obeji your friend say obeji ntade akese a obuti kama mu ahye sa papa yi papa fo yi no hwan e ka se bibia nya odwene da ache o ye hye papa to ho ma mu da ache no ono na wosi unim se ye ba Ashanti region wo de enfo no Ghana nyina ye se NDC former youth no appointment enti mi busa se wo ye youth a enei uko teacher training college wo se NDC former youth no appointment mi busa o se Amoakwen oye me yonko pa me from Amoakwen sisi obefa ba busa ho se oh yes nyina is chef busa ho se wo ye youth this agenda na chi to aba ye bo Amoakwen ni din se regional minister no anya bia no sika be shoboto mu ana hwe NPP tena se mu se no ye mfa sika be hye nipa ba akofo boto nemmom ye be make sure say be ye policies a ye door to door mami ka door to door policies no entro oko national scholarship secretariat omo de scholarship system bi ba ya omo decentralizing the core various districts now you youth na ekọ universities no money nurse ni omo ana na ya mo say omo fantasy omo free senior high school policy if you be mu na Ghana bia nwura
say na if you be akọda
obi benefit enti sa policy no eni say e be ma youth appointment no say say yimu ba kwande na
oh yeah we have ka say policy e be bo ani ni nya
that is it
we have appointment enti me fear bi ni pa appointment
fear ti mo if you bia mu ni pa appointment enti ene ya ye kwa ye be youth utie mi a ene ye radon domani mahama ba ye enhyehyɛ ya wo ye say trainees a wo mo ewo various teacher training colleges na ode ba no ene eni ho bi oye so mo ba licensure exams no betwam ene oba ye na obeto bo no 500 Ghana cedis abandada no ho na nyesa na 350 Ghana cedis uye no free wa abandada NPP together with Yewura former president Nana Danko Akufo-Addo omo de nhyɛ bi ba ya no omo de feeding component equal various colleges no Emma anopa ye be feed you enwia ye be feed you enwure be feed you wo de ko mampon ko mamtek obusa ko akokari ko busa akokari training kan ko ya hwene hanu ha ya west ko num ni se wi ko busa se enei omudidi se omudidi ba akopɛ ti me hu ni se MDC no eye
ya na feeding grant yo ya de ma
ya de mo ba busa omo se omo allowance kwa yipia ye ntwia eye na da ne scam bi no ma be scam Ghanaian youth ye de ye hunu ye neoma ahwie agu ye hunu hyehyɛ ye se ye ba ni cabinet so ye wodidie se said your form ago na COKA awene chairmanship position amaye na enei emabunu emrewa enkokra obi ani ade se COKA awene no Ashanti youth caucus Ashanti friends women caucus obia na Sara caucus obia be kan ho boma me aye adwumaden e be sa the party na ba e be sa ba power unim eba no ne nchichemu a NPP ya wo numbers no wo hwe records yeah what numbers change MDC just say be na
and this was be against some numbers change
nyame ya adoma about to do o de figure no mo ten fi o man fa ba no ka de yewura Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia nya ya na ke be 2 NDC
obi so be against say e bi o mo ten fi o man fa ba no wo bi na dwan sesa ama so obayan kokon kete ni jin kokon kete no nke bi obayan ko be to ma
na enkokon kete no minua ye hu bi
me obi kasa o se obi on TV wa kwese dey tu awa chance ya
obi ede enhyehyɛ papa ebema wa pomudin SCPS ta obi de nkokɔ mienu miensa ma wo
so it's a great
me condemn sa ade no ba ye ni jomu no wo de ade na ba ye hu physical project aha district we abegye ne de emabru no obi a nyane de ebe 3000 ko obi a start eye o say NDC no eridi Ghana for na bi hu say ya de atro that de binimu a e easy see ebe win election me ba to get it eno na ama nei NPP a ne hyehyeye anye bia na so ta kwadu a wo ina mika anye bia kra ye won hyehyeye bia ebu akwa mu a nipa benefit na mom eniema ba ko mienu miensa bi ena ama ntiase aba ye be ko ne akoyi di
I don't think say okay well for this man sasa
na ya hyehyeye ni nyina wie na say ye nyina sa aka ho bomu a enye be hu ne wo be ma
obi ka bibu a wose men kan che say national scholarship secretariat I can once more now say this centralizing and maybe for mo share that say be ya mo di bia o man apo man
o man sika be me amidina djubo si akominya di me marion kofo bebre ba ha o munya di ya when these guys omo upahe Konkuma University of Science ke pole na we ye chi ya ko froka ne ko St. Louis ko schools a atwa ye hu ahia institutions e we ye ha nyina ne ko wo account office e ko je list a e mabuna omo benefited that scholarship
na nya samu di be wi a go say mo share that by say obo man ko
so tro test na kwasem ko a ye mawo sikapudu a udi kopia office me records wo ho a me wo records di adanse say eniema bebre a scholarship no eye de bu a emabu na ye no kre ya de ma wo mo de me say Konkuma University of Science ko Kumasi Technical University akobusa say youth mu a wo mo apply sa scholarship no mo di sua de local scholarship so mo enya
it is a no kre only nipa na nya adwen say
me nipa no nya enya
so mo share that by ya say mo de be bu o man
enipa onya na adwen say ne wo ka no opese oti o pa fa Nyankopon ebetu no fo still na ba bi ogina no gina
wow tiabusia sametie me ye ne da kase ne MPP amayoko no wo Central East e bo Asante aguna odi mu ntintiman pa ya obbo moden anya sekuto no ne abatwa ye course wo ha ne ne COKA sisi ya ona aba as the new regional chairman there's a chairman want to me at 12 years meaning ye kind of crash I want to be 12 years more aba wie yo ene ya
oh yes ene aba wie ye
o bi a chairman oba fino ne ade ne ma
me eba court on sensem a baza ye mu bi no ye de nidie ma ye court no areho de se menua ye nyina ye di agro a ye kɔ ben frema fa ye ho kama na ade be che o active chairman ya said na ko chef yase eno ho no de are ho na mom de court no ne o man no ejina so dibu na tene de mintimi emfama no enkoka na mom areho ewo mu ana areho e de abaye that is it wo freedom I do wo freedom I de party
asem wa ye kan ya na FCB ni first time ko de abasa men kan show say as a Buakwa South Mashibi Gani is Nyako is under investigation because of National Scholarship Secretariat so when the assistant now say yes I know say binu be brain nya so fast what but so you who say ko na e mo da somebody be poor man ko before
enu ntina Ghana for to aba ediji yenwura John Dramani Mahama say omra obi bia sika bia fa ne nsase ana yede state resources man no a wan hwe ne yie ekọ ne kokua mu no e wo say emra no ne di ati enei ye hwehwemu wo bi adwuma oye ho no nkere say wafom ye hwehwe ni hwehwemu ni wie na wafom a emra no ne bedi enti ano de me oppose ye pepepeye na ya build your man together na emabunu ne omo a omo wo man mu no afom ntoma pefra na mom say ba local one ne dia obi antimi nyi ho akinye me ka basically me ka local no on say ye wo international scholarship and you local and yes that is it me say what ye research na kwaje lister if nursing training college so call teacher training call university call polytechnic so na check it squad o mu ye youth a o benefit from that scholarship enti yama mira Dr. Mwakwen appointment no abetwa office entwa office that is it enti enye bibia na uhu seye kokwa na se ete yiremyema udwane kotoa no edurumre bi a ukiri wo yam kom na odi ape odachi ebu ososo a ewo se utu anamo a eya kukudura na mutu na ade pe odachi ti ne ewo se party no ye na no ma ye no COKA no de oya Ashanti man nyina COKA ye beta da chi na osuo mu o ewia mu adesaye mu adeye mu enam NPP policies omo ba ya no mu ahiafo man bi ti seye no ye nya benefit kakra wo so no ye be support ni aye adwumaden de aboa party no
I who's MPs for I want to say so almost MPP egu na say see akra omo yin say the next OTB almost 40 years in opposition one in opposition then there what is our man for Kasanse there na okada fa
say omo party na engu 2016 dia omo party no say engu 2016 dia enye NPP susungwe bibia ni we chere say NPP egu NPP a strong party na ye to aba obehwe dom a efri echichi ni benchoye ba ya bibia ni we chere say party no ahode na akofom na mom eye asode ba akumienu bi ene ekoba ye ene abambuo bi a enkrofo bi esusu say eba ye no na ama man sori ankoto aba eti going forward ene ya party ma ene o man ankoto aba na hu say ene pa bi wo MPP ni mu no because o compare MPP e compare NDC a onim say ene pa bi wo ho na the American nyina ne say MPP no edurumre bi a wo say ye tu ye mpanyimfo no ne party fo no so fo kakra baby a wudidi free no ye nsai ho enipa bi a waboa wo afra na mo baako aduru anamo mienu no ye nidi nja no entimesre eduru party no ne policies ne programs o de ba aya o monka ya Asante etu ni boom edu ni chasoso a o sa Asante gi ni boom na show amayo sam no ho eye dodo na ye de enjo nipa 300 ewo K-Poly ha ena wo enipa 200 enso wa ha ena wo nipa 100 ewo echira ha se wo yan hyehye ya 100 na wo sa ufi omomo dodo no nko agira mutu aba wutimi gina brand we ni elections enti enti na wo yan hyehye ewo mpuntuo mu ne enoma ebeboa regions ni nyina
but that doesn't mean say obeyi wani so ama 100 ni 200
enu te na make sure say dru amariosem no numbers account edru election year eye o man cheche na ye cheche hofo beje o mo de the northern part beje central beje babia Ghana and Krobia try and where she be also moje omupuntu. Na mom o strategic political party a do elections ababi a wunya o madwado do ofiri ne yemfa ho ni agro. Because na social media na be bie ni pani. Enne asam no to ho eto ho na obi bekwa koye research ahu se ade a wo kanye nokre. Ti o ye nhyehyeye na wo dom no wa mo wo dom no ho ban na o hwete wo dom no a untimi win political power. Ko eye dom ene de kyekira mayiko. Ye kwa abato so no gba nya dom na mo man to aba ma wa wo belusu. Ti mesre party mpanyimfo regional national mo a mo ye policy makers mo a mo ka bia mpanyimfo tie no baby amunya mo dom free no aya ma mu didi nya wo mo.
Have you accept say we disappoint Asante man proud to 2024
NPP aye bia ma Asante na mom ye say enam dodo onsenko me fa chot de me che enam dodo onsenkwan ye be ye ni aye biem no eboa ma Asante su tumpon
because we can say we interest is very 5 sometimes you been be ho Amaga junction so am kwa de ni na ye hu hwe
ho no de me mpesa me di nkoma akọ ne ewa ha no omanfo eto aba na decide ne eni ha no omanfo na eto aba no o ma decide o twe ne da rebebreba na ene paso omoye no na o toto na se omoye bi na ye be ye bi susu ato aso Asante deserve better na that is it. Asante deserve better. And today, as a youth caucus, you wa Asante no. Ye nya ye party mpanyfo no da. Sa omo ahu de esi Ashanti region. Ashanti region anto aba no ahu de ekosi ye. Ye nka se Asante nko na hiampuntu. Na mom obi esu a osu naniwa. Omo other regions su besu omaniwa. Na mo ye mpanyfo na da bia ne da bia ye be ka kire omo se ni Asante pe omo amfa ma ya. The C 2024 ne besi kone nipa ne abiawie asama me ne wo kan obi tinifie okra ne machine ote de ekobia enti enei se o ye enhyehyeye na party a etize NPP Asante timi buawo ema unyama dwododo e de wene tumi no o ye enhyehyeye aboa yenyi Asante mfiri me wo hye omo we ni nyina ti nkwa omo antimi anwene no saa na amayo somte edu elections ye so be we ni ana be lusu mom ye nka ye humom ni enta omo we ni nachi ye nya adwumaden na nyame ya dom na efomfo man to aba no omunya adwen sachra 2028 ye beji 2 minute NDC for
another response about for union and okay and okay anyway and also boa ma team choose o say what possible be about prayer
Yeguso.
Okay. Because also we can tell say scholarship now okay. You know, come to chairman amount for near because school. Then mom am the more money now. A party for and am the
na me musa bi nwan say party for no mo ya Abidjan for no mo ye Nigeria for.
Okay, we can also then so at the scholarship here the ban. Yeah, the ban say you former wo mo a. Wo mo nim dia wo so. Then so e bi ni fie a brilliant but busy. Then so mo the man one party for.
Say na de nete on tin hyehyɛ na see yewura Kingsley Nyako de na ohwe scholarship no so ohun say ye yes an hyehyɛ na wo be no obi akofa ne nkrofo bi de o ma befra abra eni hyehyɛ mu ti de oye ni say oye hyehyɛ gu abefo nkwantempon fidie ni so eye exam wo kɔtro exam no na wo pass a wo 350 ko nyina wo pass na system no ama wo we ya na system na market o market we ya na wa ye wo scores no PDF ama no watwe na the account document no akọ interview e wo district house select here na district no we interview no wie na district no hu say we interview no esombo a na ya select from the district base near the national na national atwes kanama enti we na nya NPP asem wo abetim
ono we o chere say the odi na nimu nyina ne kakra e course a odi no mo di a mo party for no kwa
eno de o kan say nye ye chere say party for no enye nkrofo a ye beka so mo ye o man foforo so nipa
o mi na o Ghana
ko fi mi NPP di menya Ghana mi nya kwamna aha yes enti e de na simu kwan say bibi ba na wo say me benefit bi a you know,
okay,
me party affiliation in it. Not that be.
mo share with pastor
me busanes ono no control yeah Foster me nwa Foster me busao
okay
o control exam ni bi na o pass na party and I say aban no amfa scholarship na mo na so when timi an control bi and wan kwa ankoye bia you say ugina ho a ye hunu sonko ugina chesusu a uhunu sonko eti se okoye bi ni amfa ama no a ena de wo kan magia tum na mom se wankoye bia ugina chire yesi no de emfa nya amayese so what dey me chire
no santi me hu okoye bi na amfa ama wa na the say the city akasa because no just so a o cheni se hunu se mo share da deliberately and am we say mo dey please mo party for
se ye no sa party no wo abona party man nyina din wo ka party ne betena nkra yese no yemfa ma ye ma no mo wo ya abon no enam se party ne dwen Ghanaian youth unity no ena o ye se ye decentralize no ye gitumi na free national ne dia kofom ama so ye NDC ni o so ye CPP o so ye NPP o so ye deno wakwa akotro so hwe ne bi wo internet no so o pass nko a o ko interview a o deserve se de ma obi anu o ye NDC ni o pass exam ni bia yamfa ma no a o ko interview a yamfa ma yeah eti de me nwa first ka no onye ni hwehwe mu ye biem na on samra NPP aye bi o NPP aye bi pa ada obehu se oyire bone eyo oba papa no ebia no agya na mena hwe woni oba sign na wanye careful aho obaka se oba we wonye papa ba ada obegya no ana behu se oba we no se nkam kra no mu ye Ghana for afi NPP oh yes Ghana for afi NPP menka say the NDC for ye no me yenra John mani mama together with the party omo ba ye no tension na ye economical tension e wo mu na amanfo su bebrebe on say e ba form e manipa e ho han but eno no nkyira say tinchina atwan NPP ama ma ye hwe what dey me kire no NPP abo adwuma obia could attest to the American say MPP tunhu si wo bo adwuma na adwen se obo adwuma ma ne ono no ti na kura ase Sofia Lai ti na kura ase Dome Amena ase ewo Kena Ojira ewo Adukuro Abroma no obenya bi eno ne se aban bi aba wo ye nhyehe eti ya de ya ba mumuwi ejina ye na so de ya kan nyina ne se ye se achia ne muwi desene kasabebu nyina Yegusu ye nhyehyeye ye baba behwem afro mu nsam 2028
after 4 years
oh yes
in the history of the fourth obiadi 8 years
oh na say yenra John Dramani mama obetwa 8 years 4 years no kwa no san ba
me kind political party wise also obiadi for party be 8 years and so
eno no wo ho na de wo kan yes ne wo kan wo na mom ye party man na wo man to aba no ye fa wo na so etie ne wo kan no ye de anu ye be ma wo na woma sori akwakoto ababi ne omo anto e wa Ashanti ayi mu no busa se ye de sa vote no koka NPP de ho a yenra John Dramani mama Ghana man panyini enko betimi awe ni elections na enko ntimi won ti eguso ye fom adwuma yes
first I say when you say we the first about your last message when you are break first I say my brother stop annoying the citizens in Ghana. I know people. Also, when your mom for 2 years, a college scholarship. I see young country 2028 is just around the corner.
Oh yes.
Okay.
I know the fact. First, I want to say, me can't local wine. Now local scholarship. Local scholarship. Now me what physical evidence. And me benefit you know. And you have me benefit you. Time me was your pomo no. And 10 president or no shebo adom ano e wo school ho no e ma NDC no onya bi
wow
oh yes nyame ya adom ochina mejo number me the list baby ana me wo school no omo win ye ne NDC youth ewom oh scholarship ne anya no party sem ye the brain mabu no ti ne first year ka no minim scholarship kra ho asema wo
obetime chema san dia baby we srewa eye o kan local ones bi ana foreign scholarship na wo ka whatever community chese for foreign local scholarship obian where yes PS can
dabi local scholarship dey sabio one and no kra no national na o say international also be PS can or evidence actually me wo evidence actually say me ma benefit
I want to
me ni TK me nwa TK no ye NDC young guy a obo adwuma gidigidi ma NDC no ono so benefit bi me say otrofo no say me dance ni wo amanone baby a foster wo no university wo ho no onko ho na onko account office enko busa say from 2022 2023 2024 omo benefit local scholarship omo ye be print list na ma hwa de yembe hye no obi aso ni wa aba na ntwa ma no ne o tro so hwa a e wo internet no so pass ye bi o call interview e wo local level no ye de scholarship ni ma eno de sabio se o papa to aduane ma wudia free o mofrasia bedru emfinhia e bi adunum no na se o papa ho odin kofom no obi foforo be so mu a men kasa o papa yi ni paboni ni waye bia bedru me bi enti nei 8 years ni de sorry 2028 de beba na mom ye bom paye ama Ghana yenra Ghana mampanyi John Dramani Mahama ni NDC4 se policies o mo de bae o mo nyire o mo ho nye na esomman faso de na enam so ama Ghana for so ehunu NDC ne so mfaso eno an ye hwehwe because ye mpo aba no tumi no ekura wo omo an be di so kopem se 2028 ne beba nti ye bom paye bia ye support wo mo paye bom eno ne ye hwehwe omo be ni nyina kwesi awieye no ne papa mu ne ye pe se ade nkokon ketenkete na omo bo hu de omo de campaign no eno no ho asem ne ye ka se nkokon no we he because you baby and no and I must to call me.
I want a pound to my bathroom person also be a near na ye di bra man for say. Yeah, me so so.
Yeah, free senior high school no.
Okay.
Na na dan Kokofu do di ho komo. Yes, sworn in January 7, 2017. That same year, 12 September, na the policy in Shasi. Ubia or Ghana habia sabi or kwa sorry or ye Muslimi. Osom ye nananom ebe kan okrese ampa e wo musa niam bi na be seche remu aniema bijigu ye de na mom de party na ye no ye ntimi nkase wo munye de Ghana for benefit from NPP amamu no untimi nkase o ma me bibia o ma be bibia ndisi ba obeye NPP so ba obeye na ye numu NPP for ne de ye wo numbers ne ndisi for enti e form for no o man kwoto aba no ho adwene na se ye wo ye tirim ye no o ma kase awie Momi num so ntwan ope na 2028 ne ba ye behu ba bia susan
around the corner on tino bibi a mo be bia Ghana for the one for one king da yes around the corner mo ye den ya ntimi energy to me so na first catch
2 minutes kra Ghana for ne be decide eti obia so e wa konya se edru breast o che na adwen bi ne se me che ma adwen first so a che na adwen ti abato no dru a eni behu de wo bema na mo gidie se Yenra Dr. Mahmoud Baumia Obewini coming 2020 general elections.
In the job I'm say about 30 minutes and you do na ye kwe sabo di bi what or questions
with the Tribosia Co Clement Filia Seche East constituency na party adwuma na oh yes eti mechia obi bia na mechia ma Vic unim obaba ko a one winning election na yemi yapaye ma Victoria Usu a chan no Kokofu Ashanti regional women's organizer when to me and win it the Kenyan say ya wishing a better luck next time young kwatine fi na near yen CC no yen CC na nyina yen kan ho mom na yen adwumaden fa party no mra power coming 2028
right first I saw on outside now so give me pa na so men kan say any time na ye na koso bia no kan bi o no amanfo a I also the man for mutia for scholarship for foreign local na I say a fact I say bia won na won tua but obi o wa o tua
anti me na wo first da ususu se me mantwa no me di ma asem ho adanse a oh yes local no de o kira me say obi
obi o tua first na say
first anya abuto na enei wo twa tro social media no so ampanfo ne na mo chichi nipa o menwa foster ade a wonni adansedie wo ho no menni hu komo
evidence fa what's that here free fa oh Ghana na wa continue also evidence we mo mo tua e bia wona wa ntua e don't just obi nsu ntua obi shall bia wo tua
enkatie bia no proye wo ne wo kan no so evidence so ni evidence o menyi na kinye na mom enkatie bia no yese proye na mu na osa nkate proye egu wanum ana osafra nkatepa na wowe na wote proye no wanum a opurugu a ni aka wo bonsuye no osa sesawe e ma ne yeyi eti die twa yie ne ntwa yie no Ghana fo nim se o compare NDC ne NPP a anye bia kra no omo ye policies a omanfo ni nyina benefit tie no de Ghana fo asisu biem se nyame ya adoma 2028 no omo de party NPP beba bam ami abetua ye dwuma paso
so see the ketiasi a washa say obi president among for the Ghana for see president ketiasi so se general musik to no ba muntumi eto
na me kire se ye share policies out there ba so ni ato abama me obi dey say nkwete mani gina ho oye fan man time NPP friends say yimra Sir John nyame fa ne kransie no ote ase utie omo interview wo Peace FM ni Hello FM a odi mu say omo ma politics no eya akondo ati say obeyi ni ti a ye wo hye no ye wo hye no good luck na mom ye pese ote ase say so ba efie no ya bo ho ban a ensisire empataku enkraman a omoche enipa we ewo fi ho ati 2028 ni de owene omo internal elections na ye beji 2 minutes finish
among one a remote say on pre ba ku mo musuro bi for musuro na oba bia muntimi nya
obi
to force on Kokofu just brown no one yake
auto forcing obia records by na ekra wo mo a ombetimi di abiti
auto force by dollar him say wa ye ho
Kofi me nwa kwamra me say Ghana for no ebe kire ne wo se de ne ba e ba tote de me kire eto da na unua di nsem hu na ho so obi ne unua ko timu say unua no o kan se wonya wenjai e na unua no ko ya ba hu si de nipa ni si bu na enam so ye wo moja no wo benya feeling bi say no o se me ko pata na me ko jimi nua enti party manu a Ghana for no mote efi anei enkokon ketenkete anya adwuma wa best come ye nua no training for and nurses for ye chi omo na enminti bi da say na obi ye demonstration a yetimi di police for ko so no Kofi na school no panyini no ya ho na fa na adwuma nya aba na fa na adwuma ho ho na control na ba na the control no enti ehun entansa bi ono na wo se ye de bo no timi de Ghana for na hunu say omo ye mistake and omo sesa omo nsa enei ubie amanfo pono ewurawura dan mu a amanfo suesu no
sese
ani amankoye
sese dollar ya is stable
Kofi na dollar no ye stable na discover sabi abehye nipa botom economy ne de e free omo ye na emu ehan nemom policies a Ghana fo gina so to abama wo omo no enye no nene omo ye hu adwuma
na me ba na kosia motre I mean is that Argentine here also what me actually na first time was aka bi also no NPP party members be there omo tua as omo nya scholarship one of the reasons see our party for be there anto because also party for be there anto ba scholarship be wa ko tua but yeah for man tina be there na anto ba sa na all come according to Foster
so Foster kwaje document a e kire se district bi obi twa eska wansa na ye de ade ne man de amaje de o kanato
I was a book one interview.
Oh yes. Also, many first share. So first timi call. So first timi call kwaje evidence e free district no. Also, you decentralize na your district chief executive no. One appointees a omo wo ho no. Omo na form committee na no mo hwe so. So timi kwaje evidence e kire say owusu ansa Martin owusu etwa sika ansa na di local one mana beji de okanato na mmom se woni evidence ade ne nam frema mu amanfo tu futuro gu ni nipa ni no enu bi no oka de menwa Foster ne mentimi nye ntuma ne nye yesa
what's that was one na kosi anso say sales yen to na NPP za power na NPP power na won za my finance minister that you be say adwane ana I don't dey won pay money masa say beto Obama na NPP na masa ko finance minister you be abani fi akunya so adwane ko America Sano Nana Akosiana.
Oba friends Nana Akosi asma okay. On say
when you defender so ba.
Oh yes, Ghana no ho. Ye te asamo ani ye de gigigigi. Enu nti na nei. Yewra John Dramani Mahama together with the NDC aban omo cheche nkrofo bi me mani age. Oh yes.
What's a piece of cassette ba me anu ade worst said about.
Ovi. Amaje sama ye no. Udi obi atema me ye chewa e wo se because ya more ye values no ho ban ya ho bedroom rebi no ye be ginsemu de menua Akosi ye kan evidence ban legal document ben na kire say former finance minister or the nsa Ghana sikem agosi ade wo kan court for say be you ho anu a wa hwe a ho be hyehye o
say na o chese say na bibia say ni wa na o ma na hia o meyi nsem
eno na me kire say legal document be na NDC aban no de free finance minister ne say we di sika na the nsa bo o man sikem ana nhwehwemu ne ye free finance minister ne botom no document ewo ho ene ne na dwuma obebo ni nyina won krata omo hwehwem na say omo de court na Supreme Court ka say there be finance minister di sika taku ana sempo a enti based on that ye gina tumi we so akotwe na ba any problem o man ye chechire le mom say documentation bi am back legal documentation bi ani ho a ye nyina de ye kan de say de menwa kosi ye kan bi de ene ye ntumu na ko ye wo political means a amanfo bebre gina so de ewene elections ti ano de akosi a unni evidence a mesre
we all know say the Krama, Nimisa, NPP, the buy one members of parliament. You who be class either. I see, yeah, finance minister by that by him. Now, one money will be granted.
I know, dear, me,
so say, be now, I buy your way who be beaten professors, finance minister.
I know, dear, me, Rashabi Janida.
Okay.
Omo yam Rashabi da for no year say ye finance minister, omo an nim de omo ye.
And make us say, fact, one political party, and more MPs. It's me sorry, sir. Finance minister ya about never year part about the panel in for the ebia no mo be beside the na so na ya ban ya ba hunti a on pese former finance minister ba na obi chase don't you think so
ba na obeba no de me se ye hwehwemu ne ye finance minister de nsa bo ma no sika eni kwa so ode ne nsa bo mu a e wo so ma no chi ne tu ba se ye ni evidence bi a kire say
convicted
that is it eni kwa se ye judge no
he has not been convicted yet
say Supreme Court to share say and High Court to share say ye hwehwemu no ana your friend say special prosecutor kire say ye hwehwemu no wadi sika wey ana wey a asotwe bi wa yemfa ba se nipa sabi
assistance na
for the bia man side no de na wo say ye gu ne ho fisa court na wo ho no mo fa ne ma ne document ne ne ma na ye nyina o mo fa nkrata nkoma Supreme Court no hwehwem ne antwe ne mra but to say ye be hwehwemu a ye be hu say oni ama o man sika no eni kwa say Ghana for ebuwa no
okay and now when you support Bako Johnson Asare say me guys forget to first time Bako first time the Rena odi dance ye bia zero evidence ye o de be che now Rena first time NBC propaganda on social media no for adwuma NBC America well and also yeah obi an adwen chabusia politics that's the beauty of the game democracy ti obi kasa na ya adwen chaba na bibia ye bia ye ko de be katwa to na ye ja ya je
ne American katwa to ama meja mo akọ ne se ya ye nhyehyɛ yi ye ba omo ankoto aba no omo ate enema bi ase ye no omo ba be kan bo ma ye adwuma 2028 ye be di nkuni ama yewura Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia LED oman no
so ne kasa mi odini bi mo wada
me di ntwibo si akọ Clement East
na o di brebu ha na afi na person
ye guso a ye tete ho
okay mo no sense mo na ye besa tuma ma no foforo no ho
eno no eye court nsensem nti no aya na me pese me de ma no beka on say ene me ni wugina ade a chena wote se abefa me a me ni de obeba bebe mi ti me ade a court de na no aka no ya na me pese me ko ho oh yes
yes the court will see a cancer but we wish you all the best
thank you
your political career na me na fa nko
eguso nyametiase
yes me way back me pa darling boy no say na friend celebrate this year we just 20 on bona ba na
eguso pa
yeah na ya kasa na bibia ya sunje yeah me friend ya kasa bro
mami
yeah na bibia yeah me friend yeah oh yeah live see YouTube na ma for comment say it was YouTube by Grace TV over base 200 and I show will be a comment come and planty yeah be kasa bro yeah be kasa first time is when you down for through oh yeah first time our new friend first time I like kasa be there before Sanya kasa be first our new friend Echo auntie bibia na be kasa me friend show so yeah say right yeah call you run up never show me na very say and then you bring you pabusia come on man and then waba na ensem bebe come on by no abusia I appreciate you the mood na so much everywhere na mo share by Grace TV and if you Jubilee Park, the new patriotic party Ashanti regional elections, Ashanti regional executives elections are about to celebrate the year na chairman or the home Kokofu COKA and our dim kunima sesia NPP or the new Ashanti regional chairman of a for John to Bernard, and also the first vice Ashanti regional chairman. They want the issue of the day and come up with Bernard is a Poyando. Yes, there's a Bernard Busana Poyando and Timmy. Poyando wari atitimu enya sepetwa Poyando wari atitimu pa na gap ni mo esun na o se bi akwa na ma be share na yese na for akwa se o se o more den as o kan kwen se ade ni more den toto enti no I think say no anticipate say easy yes Poyando when timi earning kunimti better luck next time say Poyando ebetimi edin kunim repem na bibia aye asumdwe ewa hase ebusun aye call na ye kwai yeni mo comment mi fi we na me dan wasen so sanse na bre bedu amaka ye ho a network yi ha na kate ni eba store na mo hwe mo nyi ama we appreciate you so much. Let me round up with some of the comments be abane for showing number here ya bana say please did Paul win I am dike you anu ya Paul awe at team wawe at team went me and with that portfolio secretary no Francis Adomako didn't couldn't. And after now, can tell one say, I'm very happy COKA. I'm very happy COKA. We are proud of you, dear. Yeah, COKA. Former Fijako South constituency chairman says here there one the regional chairman at the NPP Ashanti region. Yeah, you can want some chairman. But I like to look at now. I'm so complaining. Now, okay, indeed, aside now, can tell one Miami Chrome so the other comment about being man. Now, keep on doing good for the NPP. And after that, bro, take care of yourself. Matiana, Mayodo, Wadaroma. After Sophie Chamatin, and so she was a big. Okay. And after Vincent, okay, Vincent, we see your boy. I say the Soundquest party. Oh, let's say, I would say Vincent. I would say, Afe Kojo Williams, Kojo, now say, me tell catch it. Say be able call Kojo Williams. Afe Sophie Chamatin say, Queen SK, big support to my great bro, Kokofu, Classic King, NPP. Okay, let's watch it more. And I say, oh no, come on, man, what's for Kokofu? But him say I'm far. But let's not forget. Hey, yeah, come on, you see, I'm not Kokofu. Can say, oh no, you say we win 62%. Say I'm not we win 62%. See, I mean, I want to crash say. Fear delegate was a John Kai, is a fear delegate, and delegate. Mama, Honorable Kokofu, we win 62%. Yeah, see a 2 about now. Adia and aye. After one be the comments about code M42 says so NPP members will not seek wisdom. Oh, I would say Mr. Menkasa, Mr. Wadama. You can make your point, but Mr. Don't attack the intelligence of Obia or Chenadre, Mr. You can also argue. We agree to disagree for the betterment of our mother Ghana. Afei, Nana Chambers now, NPP is coming back like killer. Mahama has deceived Ghanaians. A Brennan Krabia and a betray. Afei, Kokofu Chairman is a good lady from the great UK and great Ghana. Okay, the next Mr. President is Doctor. Okay, that's a Professor Chester Baumia and the Bedim Kunim Sana Sophie Chairman. Press welcome. Nana Chambers, NPP lost the election 2024 because of Wood to me and Abronya. Hey. And Abronya didn't Kunimo. Yes, Abronya didn't Kunim as the regional chairman of the New Patriotic Party. I was thank God Ashanti region has appointed a new regional chairman. After Ivan Sam, I say, hey MPP, you guys are still talking. I want to carry Evans there now. Offer Albert Morrison. Wow, offer. We will comment that check me offer Albert Morrison. Offer me comment that check. Me comment that check pa. Say be able to there. Me amadi na offer Albert Morrison. Now for Albert Morrison say, of us coming much greetings and your good job during this busy period. It's your uncle Albert Morrison. Now for me that's a Michelle. Of a justice I guys say 1,200 to 400 and you don't appreciate it, man. You are not making sense. I would say, okay, there's a man for church from Joseph Marfo, and so in the comments by Brian on Tim is something, you know, we not church of Adrian, say, now Adrian, you come pa, Emma Bibia, Ayasmuji, and there was a whole lot of comments and a buy. Nana Kosia, the enemy Kainina, of a Johnson Nasara, the enemy Kain. Here for them, you said this is hit bias. Oh, here for what is bias, bro? Yeah, Bemena, Menkasa, why? Menkasa. Afei, in front TV. Hey, in front. Now go share in front here. Who comment a check, papa. Who comment a check? If it's a very long timer, who comment? Yeah, so the Bron region there, reporter, Mede Mamon say, Abronye, and I think him as the regional chairman of NPP of the in the Bron region. After the various electoral, and as the various regions, the Asian farmers updating and some amount sign said there is a tier. Yeah, in Ashanti region, Mediki say, or the no Kokofu and AF regional chairman. First vice, I'm a for Jantua, Bernard, I'm a for Jantua. On a Brekum Chelsea Football Club. Team now, Brekum on Bogana Premier League. On a Yanedia. Yes, Bernard, I'm a for Jantua, Bantam boy. This year, I know, I'll be first vice chairman. After a second vice chairman, Ade Poku Akins. After a regional secretary, no one for Yando people went to me and including Francis Adomako Francois and Edin Kunim. After assistant secretary, no, Chichie Bonsu. Chichie Bonsu. As a bonus or actually okay. After regional organizer and Dennis Kokofu, Miami Ralph, and to Ralph for Safo, went to me in Kunim. After regional organizer, no, Madika, regional women's organizer, which is also Miami name, and what didn't Kunim. Regional youth organizer, Martina Mayow, that's what 2 years on watching and a sentence about 4. Yeah, Martina Mayow, he last 4 years completely. And went to me in Kumafu, the Omakaino. Regional communications officer and Keskin, also doctor, or 2 Ishak Chebrope. Regional treasurer, no Helena Mensa, and a Nasara coordinator, Razak Abubakar, and Kana Subi constituency, one regional youth of Nasara coordinator, or the Subin constituency. Sorry, I'm not going to say the Sana Abatieshe, the other regions, the other regions, no one have the Taba in Asmama say, I said, Nina, and so Aqua said, there, say, na Efata, Elhon live from Kumasi, Greater Accra region, or Matunina, Abbey. As we quite so now share with all the facts, with all the figures, any idea, but Nina in the betterment of the party because and now by actually what didn't kunim and your vote out was 1 million farm one kunim my party 90 million kunimwa. Now where lies the victory? In the next one see never boa now PPA IAS or we are gathering all the facts and figures now the results so I cannot Abraham and sign up here at your with respect to the various regions no. Bruno the NDA Medicare Canada. Yenshare. Then for the facts and figures, no, Emre Amansan said, yeah, it's a Yarania Vaha. And in front TV, you didn't have some says, Yansana, it is showing now a baby. Yansana, it is showing now Abba, said, yeah, it's a okay. And that is it. NPP elections now, and a whole rundown, a whole update. And if you be a Sefatabia, day Abba Somono. Now, let's go into the other regions now. It was in the Greater Accra, now former health minister. Now the near Brepa, but my country was a Greater Accra region. I had Dr. Bernard Okoboy, or the Dinkunim, as regional chairman at the NPP. Yes, Dr. Bernard Okoboy, and in front TV, in case of Dr. Bernard Okoboy, Sabi Amnoka said, you know, and Abaye, the regional chairman. Or the regional chairman at the NPP or the Greater Accra region. Now, Oko the Eastern region, so the update if you are urban say Jeff Kredu Eastern region. The regional chairman of the NPP in the Eastern region. Jeff Kredu and I didn't him as the regional chairman. First vice over the Eastern region. Chumberima. And you're not Chumberima, you know that we were Chumberima before. Secretary, no, Tony Oseje on a didn't women organizer. Regina Bimpong on a Edin Kunim as women organizer and so more. In the Eastern region, when our organizer, Yodin Kunim, Jerry Osaipoku on a Din Kunim, our Jerry Osaipoku, Ademu Raha, and the Din Kunim. Treasure and also Yodin Kunim or Alfred and I also say, Treasure and Yodin Kunim, when you are 232 votes. You're also meaning 231 votes. That's just one vote, but also in a single majority now. One vote difference, and treasure the Edin Kunim over the Eastern region. After the youth organizer and also over the Eastern region, as Samuel Osai Sarkodie and Edin Kunim Eastern region as the youth organizer of the NPP now 335 votes. 335 votes again Edin Kunim in the Eastern region. After yes, Greater Accra region medical culture that say Dr. Bernard Okoboy and Edin Kunim, a regional organizer for the Greater Accra region. So Moses Abo, you see any Moses Abo, one thing and last night due to a maga the Abron region, the Abronye on wedding putting or returning city said it's a Pame Buffer Abronye was a project the election I'll be pronounced to Abron want to mean couldn't be him since our man open PPR or Melusu almost no Cobno region one city or out of bed 11 6 no NPP losing now and I can back up pet Bakuna Akano or at the Abron region said the anymore eh German South draw more than Japan Patamon. Junemu Patamon. I don't quite sit aka. Oko Bono regions are Bria, Sunyani East. Sunyani Ampa, MPP seat since the Tina, MPP, dear, Chairman Sanomia, dear. But Sunyani NPP lose for the very first time. NPP, lose all the 2 seats Nina. To the NDC, Sunyani East, Sunyani West, after Brokum East, Brokum West, Nina NPP lose. The same region I German North Sampa, this Sampa area or NPP lose, and I lose, I think 2020. And then, just say, oh, we had the various constituencies in the region. Since NPP losing na Kabakupe, Okobu East is Wasa, NPP lose city grown na Katachima in South and Kwa, the whole Tachima and Kasa, Matia James Cosa. I don't quite impressed to Oba from Swasa, NPP lose city now, Naka, Joy and Quanta. That's turn off. Let's say the impact and the influence of the NPP in the Bruno and the halfway enclave now. Above from here, pa. It's never been a quick as any abroad as I tell ya, a boy crown call, nothing from now, any idea, but Yamia Dum, and then I want to about you know, or what to the Amaquam about for Abronia. Yes, I am not said the Abronia said, now Abronia didn't say, or share before in our boss said, sit no more listening now, what was in Abba? Yes, call about for Abronia, come on. Abronia so is sitting in the Abba, into one only person who lose city, or what the Abba. Interesting times ahead, but some people to me say we need Brokum East, Brokum West, Sunyani East, Sunyani West. After German North Sampa area hall, after in the same region, you know, when cheap, it is also say Buzia Chrome. Didn't say NPP, I sit down for Buzia Dombo. Buzia no Chrome, I went, you know, NPP lose. At was true. It does say, I never be a hard power. Doma Central, former health minister Kokofu, my man, the constituency. Doma Central, NPP sit. I mean, Oko Doma, your sits no MES, Doma Central, Doma East, and Doma West. In fact, now people could tune and describe it. This year, Doma Central, Doma East, Doma West, now could be this for. And the Abronia say, or Shabo, say, what bay, yes, I talk about money here. Or by just assisting now back at the Ama NPP. Genoso Yaka, the front ever in the region. Kwame Bafo, Abronia, yes, Chairman Abronia, what didn't him now or Twaso as a regional chairman at the Ama, the NPP. The Bruno region. After Jojo, yes, Jeff Cotton, the incumbent now. Yes, and after in front TV, I'm watching you, bro. Thanks for the update. Matia in front TV. Me who comment at chair. I ran a type of court, the Lumba issue. I'm tell who comments. As a bit no interest for Lumba issues. The Lumba issue now. Now one more actual Nasika. No much from Nasika. Okay. After you also be more in the central region. Dr. Joseph K. Esibu, one of the that says here, the regional chairman of the NPP in the central region. Dr. Joseph K. Esibu, and as I make said here, Dr. Joseph K. Esibu, what did or by the regional chairman of the NPP in the central region. Now, on your 278 votes as against Percival Dennis Kweku at the year 161. And so at the end, you know, there are some central region. So, a new regional chairman in the press, a regional chairman in the press of Doctor. That's where, of course, but Joseph K. Esimu. Yes, no. And Bruno East, and so the Bruno East and the Tachima area, on Tachima and Kranza and Kids, and I come back from after a table, I maintain Kwame Danso Yaji, so some portable in Bruno East. Now in the Bruno East region, so you did Kunim as a regional chairman, Ibrahim Bukari Baba, and I didn't Bruno East region as chairman of the NPP. Only 180 votes. You're on the prayer and Thomas Edu appear in your 73 votes and about here rejected. And in that case, Ibrahim Bukari Baba is the regional chairman elect for the NPP in the Bruno East region, Tachima and the region of Ibrahim Bukari Baba on your 180 votes. Thomas Edu appear in your 73 votes. After first vice chairman for the NPP in the Bruno East region, Alhaji Alexander Jain on the Dinkunimo on your 149 votes. As against Ibrahim Alhaji Mohammed in 92, Peter Grant in 10, rejected ballots in Aya Bako. After second vice in the Blue East region, Amofa Atakufi on 132 votes. You're talking to Baba Abdallah Baba on 122 votes. That's a 10 votes per any of the two. After secretary in the Blue East region, David Boache, onya 181 votes, as against Peter Mensah, onya 70 votes. After yet was in the Blue East region, why we are assistant secretary. Mahama Saidu Liman, Edin Kunim, onya 178 votes, as against Boatin Ebenezer, Unya 76 votes. Organizer and the Opono post, Musa Suleiman, Odin Kunim Prakope. After youth organizer, so wow, I was here. Youth organizer Odin Kunim, Mohammed Bello, onya 128 votes. Not yet, the autonomy you know on the prayer no. Onya, your friend Charles Abdul, onya 126 votes. There's 2 votes per and at the Odin Kunim, and the 2 the autonomy in as the youth organizer in the Puno expression. Women organizer no so far a free year dance so enya 161 votes as against Akosia for 91 votes. Nasara here, they are not before and that's so before your boy people. I'm awake the friend of Nasara. Nasara is Alhaji Jibril Abubakar enya 178 votes as against Alhaji Adamu Mohammed 75 votes. After treasurer and also Charity Sap Ejedi putting 102 votes as against Gloria Ewa Mullen enya 51 votes. After Tadi Banyo Charles enya 67 votes. And after Buahima Masha enya 32 votes. And so communication officer Kofi Ohene 6 enya 114 votes. Then what you do no Oswa J Ebenezer onya 117 votes. So they are but you can say Abronya di Kunim the Bro region. Now Abronya sir amount for happen asempa. So you na ebi kwanso ebi fi akunya so na okan sembe breni ade enti won tunti am tie. Okwa the Bro region Abronya ya Odin Kunim no. Onya 201 votes. Kwabena oponya 0. Afarijan ya 0. Honorable ya afu enya 44. Ya afu ana ye hu se bi obotiri kwa ma aye Abronya match onya 44. And Joe Mensah enya 31. That's Abronya maybe outside he doesn't appeal to the public there, but within the Bruno region NPP fraternity no, or a strong force power. It's you know see kakaya but Abronya enya 201 votes. The autonomy enya 44. There's Abronya a very strong in the Bruno region. Now Western region Medikia Canada, me shall say kind of earlier video no about that 100 results number. Western region Sabre Oko Brown Sabria Akosia Frifa or no and a wedding in the Western region. Akosi a FIFA or not a wedding. Akosi FIFA or Sankregua was Salmon Fee East. Ashanti to be corrected. Was Salmon Fee East or Sankregua Potemo, Akosi FIFA on a wedding or a former parliamentary candidate or Sankregua Abato and Person. And the Akosi FIFA the chairman of the NPP in the Western region. Sabre after Abdul Ghani in 102 votes. There's Akosi FIFA man votes for rejected Air Bako. After first vice chairman. The Western region, Ignatius Alsa Mensah with 204 votes. James Obin Jr. in 161 votes. After second vice, no, Abena, second vice near Francis Abe Kuyanka, only did 193 votes. As against Abena Kwala, 152 votes. Monica Ward 22 votes. Western region, when our secretary, no, the Odin could be a Kwasi Bonso. Kwasi Bonso do every corner about say, young Pneman and which be disqualified near there. And the National Steering Committee of the NPP, the Kratabas, they be when say, money crying now on corporate about to be. And the Kwasi Bonso, 211 votes as against Okateche and on FIFA, they are now 157 votes. Nasara in the Western region, Alhaji Adam Harun Ahmed in the Dinkunim, Onya 190 votes as against Alhaji Labib Imam Ali, Onya 177 votes. Of a deputy secretary, no. Lawrence Kojo Apiatechi, only 157 votes, as against Malik Bochi, 106 votes, Anthony Anonia 26 votes, and also Thomas Amwa in 80 votes. Organizer no the Odin Kunim Amwabeng also champion, only 181 votes, as against Frederick Crunchy, only 143 votes. Simon Amwa in 44 votes. Of a woman organizer, and someone said, Josephine Ya Odum in 173 votes. Then we will do Augustina Anketia with 193 votes. Youth organizer our Western region, I was out for a Tiapa, only did 197 votes. After Prince Kuntu Blanks in 100 votes. Bodi Augustine Miller in 67. Frederick Kuma in 4. Western region, when our communications officer Emmanuel Issa Aqua in 212 votes. David Akameza in 3. And after Issa Husseini in 152. Treasurer and Adwa Pia in 262 votes. We didn't include as treasurer in the Western region as against James Esiedu Kenya you know, any 160 votes. They are also a someone from the Western region. Said, yeah, it's yet. It was ya, it can be a bar and a bar. Bana Eba some live on YouTube by Grace TV. But the news is in Ashanti region, COKA, the new chairman in the person of Chairman COKA, and then also in the Brno region, Abronye returning seat as the Brno regional chairman of the new Patriotic Party. You know, and some of the rounders Kokofu, I what you can't say on the Obenya 62%. Some of Kaya, but here to a baby in a city here, or Kokofu 62%. And to me, yeah, COKA, a man of gap, but COKA now over 600, Kokofu over 200. Said, yeah, it's here. So we have so we check a car bar. A brand content was really into for Nina. Come on, my brain, also for brains woman and not. But Bernard Okoboy, Dr. Bernard Okoboy, I want to hear the original chairman elect for NPP in the Greater Accra region. Dr. Bernard Okoboy, or no, before 12 hours. Say regional chairman. Dr. Bernard Okoboy is the regional chairman elect for the new Patriotic Party. On your 490 votes, and now the only prayer in your 172 votes. Next, Dr. Okoboy, now man for a penascent by Greater Accra region for our penascent papa. Was on what boom, 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 boom. Doctor, I can't say the answer to that. Was already wrong. Now, so by boom, 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 boom. Yeah, and Ashanti to Accra. Then it's quite so. Come on, comments to be about an European name called and bread. Comments to be about home. Okay. The ancient way now I'm for comments about European nothing. And trust Emma sign the new Patriotic Party, the elephant, so they will come as them down. Almost say it's a winning symbol. And the Brennan Club and the Richard say winning symbol, say winning symbol. Yeah, ABC Accord. After when be at the comments about front TV say we thank God. Okay, yes, okay. Jojo the somebody care kind. Now but Trini say oh say Chama Abronye, Chama continue on the love is deep. Hey, that's also what you Abronye. I see. Okay. That's any Abronye na or fans pa na media so na bi ani hu ni say on timi ni nkuni. You all share vote to awanya said there was here trim over 202 201 now they otoso mi enukura obe 42 That's Abronye. I'm out for feeling congratulations to Kwame Bafo Abronye, the original chairman-elect. Yato Abasaman said on Twaso, now on Twaso as original chairman, and from NPP. Yeah, and yes, we have here, and I'm going to say, I'm sharing our YouTube by Grace TV. So, you're queen, and the rest of us are also on kind. You're from Putin. Was we get into Nini Bibia as we get into and also and the ordinary COKA, there was until we are no one COKA 663 votes. And now a year honorable Kokofu in 271. Let's say COKA up honorable Kokofu from Wamano 490 about 498 vote difference no their manner and yes and to a man gap 391 and their manner vote difference no between COKA and Kokofu 391 so the amount to a man then the whole of their relations I was here any people say yes on my and also come and we are moving about so now about 12 course one yeah until the team will come one take the team will come one take yeah you do yeah and also yeah come on the interest of Ghana, the interest of the new party. Obviously, bye bye.